I'm gonna show you a home workout with a resistance band. So there's many different levels of resistance. This one is a little bit more challenging, but you can always start off with the least amount of resistance and work your way up. Or if you're advanced and you want more of a challenge, you can always grab a resistance band with a much heavier resistance. So I'm gonna just demonstrate 2 exercises that you can do. One is a squat with a side leg raise. So you're just gonna step on your resistance band, bring your feet a little bit shoulder width apart. You're gonna do a regular squat, so your knees are aligned with your ankles. You push your hips all the way back. You're gonna take your resistance band up to your hip waist area, and you're gonna squat all the way down, and you're gonna stand back up, and you're gonna bring your leg out to the side, just like that. So you're really gonna feel that resistance when you swing the leg out to the side. You're gonna feel it all throughout that outer glute, outer hip area. So I'll show you again here. Take that resistance band up to your waist, squat all the way down. As you come up, kick that leg out to the side. So all the way down and up. Again, you can do 10 to 12 on either side. Just make sure on your squat, pushing those hips all the way back, getting low in that squat, and then really swinging that leg out as far as you can, really working that outer glute, outer hip area. Another exercise I'll show you with the resistance band is a lunge with a kickback. So you can place that resistance band underneath one foot, bring the resistance band all the way up toward your shoulders here, and you're just gonna lunge straight down. When you come up, you're gonna press through that heel on the front side, front leg, all the way up, and then you're gonna kick that leg back. So you're coming all the way down in that lunge, kicking that leg back. So it's the same thing as a lunge kickback, except you're gonna feel this a lot faster because you're adding more resistance. So again, all the way down, knees aligned with the ankle, dig through that heel. As you press up, keep that weight in that heel. Now you're swinging that back leg back, squeezing that glute, just like that. Show you one time on the other side. Same way, lunging all the way down, kicking back, lunging down, kicking back. And that's how you do an at-home exercise with a resistance band for a sexy butt.